Sincerely, Pacific. Hey guys, I got another unboxing video for you today. I just got the Nexus gamepad for the Nexus player. So we're gonna start out with we got this nice sleeve here. It's really nice. Fits on there nicely. It's got the holster. And then we got this really nicely packed box. Let me see if I got anything to cut it with. I probably should have been prepared. Okay, I hope that pen doesn't work. Okay, here we go. I'm gonna unbox it now. Okay guys, give me a second. I'll just scrape it off. Okay guys, I got it with the thing here. I'm gonna open it, and the first thing we see or greeted to is this lovely packaging. And then we have the controller itself here. So there we have it. Comes with some batteries, and let me get the remote out for you guys. Here is the beautiful remote here, as you can see. It's got the Xbox layout buttons. It's got kind of like a PlayStation kind of vibe going on here. For comparison, here's the Vita Shield. It's kind of got like the same setup, very similar. So if you have one of these, it's easy to get used to this. It's got some triggers towards the front, and it seems like it'll be pretty good. Let me just remove this and get the nice noise that we all love. Oh yeah, it's good noise. Oh, look how shiny that is. It's a fingerprint magnet, but it's beautiful. And let's see if anything else let's see, something else comes in here. In Search of Incredible. Okay, so basically this is just a pamphlet telling you how safety and how to pair it. And that's basically it. See you guys next time.